Hello everyone, this is Direwolf20, and I'd like to introduce you to a game that I built in my server play series. I've been calling it MineCheckers. MineCheckers is built using almost exclusively the Computercraft mod. There's really nothing here outside of the Computercraft mod, and it could be done entirely with Computercraft. It's represented mostly by turtles, which represent the checker pieces, and a touchscreen monitor. Also important is a small GPS tower somewhere nearby. And basically, the MineCheckers game is a game of checkers. The checkers game is controlled using a Computercraft touchscreen monitor and Computercraft turtles. For those of you not familiar with Computercraft, it's a mod that allows you to build in-game computers, which can then be programmed using a programming language known as Lua. It's basically a scripting language that allows you to script certain functions. You've got monitors that can display text, and the more advanced version of the monitors can act as touchscreen monitors. You've also got turtles, which are mobile computers. They require fuel to move, but can move around the landscape and do all kinds of different functions. Just for fun, I built a checkerboard in Minecraft and decided that the turtles would represent checker pieces. So, without any further explanation, I'd like to show you guys briefly how MineCheckers works and give you guys just a little show of the turtles in action. In order to play MineCheckers, all you need to do is walk up to the touchscreen monitor and right-click anywhere. This will open up the monitor interface and show you a checkerboard. This checkerboard represents the in-world checkerboard here made up of wool blocks. All the pieces on the checkerboard, once we click the New Game button, will be represented by turtles. Let's check that out now. All you have to do is click New Game. So once you click the New Game button, it's going to do two things. First off, the checkerboard will be populated with all the checker pieces, and all the turtles will move into position relative to where the checkers are placed on the checkerboard. Let's watch that happen now. Simply right-clicking, you can see the turtles moving into position and the checkerboard being populated. It also starts the game by determining which player should go first, and it also determines how many pieces are left on each side. All the turtles will move into position and will be facing each other. The turtles are represented. The red team is the red swords, and the black team is represented by the shears. That's where we get the nickname Swords and Shears. The computer with the monitor is the one that does all the work. It determines which moves are valid, when turtles can jump over other turtles, and pretty much all the game rules of checkers. It then sends a message over the wireless red net, which sends wireless signals between computers, and tells the turtles to move from one position to another. So, to demonstrate this, I'm going to tell this turtle right here on the red team to move up to the right. Simply right-click on the position that you want to move, and then right-click on the block you want to move him to, and he'll move in-world to that position. You can see here. They move pretty quickly when they're doing just a basic move. After that, it's black's turn, and they can make a similar move. And we can see here the black turtle has moved into position. Now, in the game of checkers, if you can jump a player, you must. So, in this game, it's the same rule. You see here we get an error message when we try to move one of the pink pieces saying you must jump. If we try and move this piece here, you'll see that it successfully jumps the turtle, and the turtle being jumped is moved back out to the out position. And from there, all the rules of checkers pretty much apply. You've got double jumps and you've got kings. So in this position, I've just lined up a double jump as being available. Simply right-click on the checker piece that you want to move and jump the first checker piece. You'll see that that turtle is moved out of the game board, and now this turtle is moved into position. It tells you on the screen that you have the option to double jump. You simply right-click where you want the jump to occur, and he'll jump the next turtle. Now that he's moved to the opposite side of the board, he has been crowned a king, and the king is represented by the color white for the gray side, and it'll be represented by the color blue for the pink side. Once you've finished playing the game, you can simply click the quit button, and what that will do is turn off the monitor and tell all the turtles to head back to their out positions. They'll find their way and sit on the outside lines here. And that's pretty much all there is to MineCheckers. Just for fun, we also built a viewing area up here so that other players could watch us play up here just as a top-down perspective using the Zycraft mod and the glass that it adds. And that, guys, is MineCheckers. I definitely hope you enjoyed checking out this video. It just helps to showcase just one of the 70+ mods that we have installed on the Forgecraft server. It's a lot of fun to play, and it's pretty neat. Those of you interested in learning more about mods and what they're capable of doing, definitely check out my YouTube channel, Direwolf20, and I'll be happy to show you guys all the capabilities of all the different mods available for Minecraft. For now, I'd like to issue a challenge to either Notch or Jeb, if either one of them would like to play MineCheckers and come see what it's all about. So if you guys are interested, track me down. It shouldn't be hard to contact me. Alright guys, this is Direwolf20 signing off. Hope you enjoyed checking out MineCheckers, and take it easy!